Before we dive into how to use iWeb SEO Tool, we need to discuss a few things about it. Pay close attention as this is really important. In order to use iWeb SEO Tool, you must first publish your site to a local folder on your hard drive. To do this, go to the site's Publish page, select Publish to Local Folder, and select the location on your hard drive where you want the folder to publish to. For this example, I am going to publish the website folder to the Sites folder. Now it's time to publish the folder. Rather than click this Publish button down here, I'm going to go to File and then select Publish Entire Site. The reason I do this is because I want to make sure that every single file is being published. Before I show you how to load the site in iWeb SEO Tool, I want to show you the Sites folder that I just published this website folder to. It now contains 3 items. It contains an assets file, an index.html file, and my website folder. Take note of these 3 items before we proceed to the next step. So now we're ready to load our sites into iWeb SEO Tool. Click on the Open Website button. Now I'm showing you these 3 files again. If I were to highlight the Sites folder and then press Choose, it will result in my website's URL looking like this in the address bar. If I highlight the Website folder and then click Choose, my website's URL will look like this in the address bar. The choice is yours, however make sure that you are consistent with what you choose, because as you update your site over the weeks and months, you will be loading your site in iWeb SEO Tool again and again, and you will need to make sure you are consistent with what you are loading into iWeb SEO Tool. Before we move on to the next tutorial, I want to point out that every time you update your site in iWeb, you will need to do this process and publish the site from iWeb SEO Tool and not from iWeb. But this does not mean that you'll need to add in all the optimizations we are going to make in iWeb SEO Tool over and over again. Whenever you update your site in iWeb, repeat the process above, press this Reapply Save Tags button, make any changes to the optimizations if you want to, and then publish the site in iWeb SEO Tool. So just to repeat what I just said, whenever you make an update to your site in iWeb, you will need to once again repeat the above process of publishing to a local folder and then loading the site in iWeb SEO Tool. Then you can press the Reapply Save Tags button, make any modifications if you'd like, and then publish the site to your server in iWeb SEO Tool. And one last note, if you are having any trouble using iWeb SEO Tool, make sure you check out the troubleshooting videos, which are available in the bonus section of this video course.